Thank you for calling DynaLink. This is Rachel. How can I help?
Hi, Rachel. This is Linda from Capital C. We're having an issue with our internet. No one in the office can connect to the web.
I'm sorry to hear that, Linda. Let me pull up your account and conference in a technician who can help.
Thank you.
Okay, I have your account in front of me, and I've patched in Adam, one of our technicians.
Hi Linda, this is Adam. I understand you're having trouble connecting to the web. Is that right?
Correct. We can't access the internet.
Got it. I cannot log into your router, so I will need to open a ticket with the carrier. Give me about an hour and I should have this resolved. Hi Linda, it's Adam again. Turns out the carrier had a problem with the outside wiring, but it's been repaired. You should be all set now.
Yes, we're all back online. Thank you for your support.
No problem. Call us anytime.